Well, it is winter season and our skin can easily get dry. Do you feel it? Do you feel it doing that in this cold weather? Kind of cold here in San Diego. Well, how do you keep your skin looking dazzling and what do you do to prevent dry skin? The director of the Art in Skin, MD, is with us. Melanie Palm, good morning. How are you? I know that's a lot to get through just to say, hey, we've got dry skin. Let's take care of it. Yeah, so what is it about wintertime that really just takes a toll on our skin?
Well, we've got colder temperatures and there's less humidity, and so our skin just takes a toll. You get little microfractures at the top of the skin, and that allows these itchy rashes, dullness of the skin, redness of the skin, all the things we think of with sort of dry winter skin.
Whatever you're doing with your skin, it looks amazing, so we want to do that. So let's walk us through the steps to take care of our,
so we'll talk
skin
about
in the cold.
Four things. So we'll talk about exfoliation, hydration, toning, and then helping to tone down redness.
Okay, so we're going to start with
the first step, which is helping to exfoliate. So I do a lot of sort of chemical exfoliation and talking to patients about that. Alpha hydroxy acids like glycolics are great for that, and combining that with a gentle brush, such as the Clarisonic brush, is a great way to get rid of those and lift off very gently those top layers of dead skin cells.
You hear a lot about this. Does it really work is the question?
It does. It really does.
Why is that?
It's motion. It actually moves so quickly that it's actually able to get dirt and debris that's actually in the hair follicle. So it's great for women when they're trying to take off their makeup. Guys really enjoy it in the shower.
You see that when you rinse after using these. They're wonderful, wonderful. You have to be careful with peels. But you
want to be gentle with them, and if you're real sensitive skin type, don't use it as frequently.
Okay, so next we were talking about
hydration.
Yes.
So I brought a couple of over-the-counter products. Cetaphil Restoroderm and a brand called CeraVe are great. They've got cleansers and moisturizers that have ceramides. They're natural fats that occur on our skin, but in times of dryness or patients with eczema, they're devoid. So it's a really nice thing to give back to your skin.
And Cetaphil is very reasonable.
It is.
You're not going to break the bank with that at all.
And then nice things to look for in sort of your cosmetic products are hyaluronic acid. That's very hydrating for the skin, so especially for facial creams. And then there is a mineral mist I love called Aven that helps calm down redness and hydrates at the same time. Great for travel.
That looks like it'll feel really good. Okay, and next we're talking about moisturizing. Is that right?
So this will be toning.
Toning.
So getting ready for some of those holiday parties, especially if you've had a few of them and you're feeling a little down in the dumps or dehydrated or puffiness in the eyes, these are a couple things to help. NuFace is a microcurrent device. So you actually use it along the jawline, along the cheeks, and around the eyes to tone. And you visibly see a difference after use that lasts about 24 to 72 hours. Great thing to do pre-holiday party or before a big event.
Well, how does that work?
So it actually sends sort of microcurrent electricity, and it helps tone some of the muscles and some of the skin. So you actually get a visible lift. You can see it at the corners of your mouth and along the eyebrows as well.
Gosh, that's fantastic. So you don't actually have to go anywhere to get that kind of stuff done. You can do it at home.
You can do it at home.
For a little bit. For a little. Okay, and then we also have this product.
The Clarisonic Opal also uses sonic technology, so similar to the Clarisonic, but helps medications penetrate better. So it's used around the eye area to depuff, but it also helps that eye cream penetrate, so you can use it in conjunction with your eye cream.
Very nice. And lastly?
So lastly is toning redness, because along with this winter skin, a lot of times we deal with redness. And so products that contain green tea, it's a natural antioxidant. It calms the skin. So using that in combination with that mist that we talked about really helps redness. But then using mineral-based either sunscreen or makeup. And one thing that both for my male and female patients I love is something called Color Science. They come as these little just portable brushes, and you can use it on the back of your hand. I actually keep one in my car, and I put it on the back of my hand and my neck as I'm driving. And it's a powder. It doesn't mess up the makeup. For gentlemen, it's really sort of sheer cover.
Nice. And you know, when we talk about all these things, we always talk about ladies and things with moisture, but men need it too, especially when you get a little older. You want to keep your skin nice and clean and moist as well.
And all of these things are reasonable, equal gender sort of equality.
Advice. Dr. Melanie Palm, I want to make sure we get this right. artofskinmd.com is the website. Great advice.
Thank you.
Wonderful products. Thank you.